In this video, I'll show you how to share your screen in Google Meet. Sharing your screen in Google Meet is useful when you want to present slides, show a website, demonstrate software, or walk someone through a document step by step. Google says, Meet lets you present a tab, a window, or your entire screen, so you can choose the option that fits what you want people to see. First, join your Google Meet meeting on your computer. Once you're inside the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar and click Present Now. Google says you'll then see three main choices: a tab, a window, or your entire screen. A tab is usually best for websites, online videos, and slides in a browser. A window is better when you only want to share one app. And your entire screen is best when you need to switch between multiple apps during the meeting. If you want to share sound, this part is important. Google says when you present a Chrome tab, that tab's audio can be shared, and when you present a window or your entire screen, you can also share audio by turning on the audio sharing option in the selection window. That makes it much better for videos, demos, or presentations with sound. After you choose what you want to share, click Share. Your presentation will begin right away, and other people in the meeting will see the content you selected. Google also notes that if you share a different tab later, you can switch to it using the banner and choose Share this tab instead. When you're done, go back to the Meet window and click Stop Presenting. Google says you can also stop from the presentation indicator shown while you're sharing. If you're on Android, the steps are a little different. Join the meeting, tap the screen, open the menu, tap Share Screen, and then tap Start Sharing. Google also says you can stop by tapping Stop Sharing in the meeting. One quick tip before you present: avoid sharing the meeting window itself if possible, because Google recommends sharing a specific tab or window to prevent the mirror effect and make the presentation cleaner. So the steps are simple. Join the meeting, click Present Now, choose a tab, window, or your entire screen, and then stop presenting when you finish. That's how to share your screen in Google Meet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.